Hi, it's Omar here from the Marketplace CSM team, and in today's video, we're going to explore the Settings module, which allows account administrators to manage various aspects of the account, such as notifications, buyers, and licensees. It also allows admins to manage users, groups, as well as API tokens. Let's dive in. To start off, log into your Client Portal account and navigate to Account under Settings from the main menu. Here, you'll see the General tab, which provides you with the general information about your account, such as the website, description, and etc. Additionally, the Modules tab allows you to see the enabled modules for your account. Besides, as an admin, you have the ability to add a logo representing your company via the Edit button, and also changing the account name, as well as the general information about your account if applicable. Next, Buyer section allows you to see your relevant legal entities, and buyers are the recipients of the invoices issued by SoftwareOne. As an admin, you can enable or disable any buyer within your account, but do note that if a buyer is disabled, the licensee linked with that buyer cannot be used anymore. Licensees refers to a specific person or a department within your account that receives the license to use the product. Licensees are connected to buyers and sellers in your account. There can be multiple licensees in an account, but each licensee can only be linked to one buyer and one seller. And here under Actions, as an admin, you can enable, disable, edit, or delete a licensee. Moving on to Groups, which allows you to manage the permissions of multiple users at once, and users can belong to different groups within the same account. The default group that you will see when you first log into your account is the administrators group, which provides access to all modules and all buyers. So as an admin, you can then create another group that does not include the account and access management modules, meaning that these users will not be able to manage the accounts or users. So let's simulate this. Simply click Add and provide a name for the group. You can provide a description if required. Next, select the modules. And in this example, we're not going to select access or account management. Here, you have the ability to restrict this group to a specific buyer or multiple buyers by simply selecting the relevant buyers. And lastly, selecting the users to be included within this group. And here we can see the new group created with the relevant modules, buyers, as well as users. Additionally, as an admin, you can edit an existing group by changing the name or modifying the modules as well as the buyers or users, or deleting the group altogether. Users section is where you can view all users within your account and manage their access in terms of the permissions via the groups, or delete a user if applicable. To add a user, simply click on Add and provide the user details in terms of the first name, last name, as well as the email address, followed by providing the user with access based on the groups created in the previous steps. In this example, we're going to select Administrator. And lastly, add the user. Now, as you can see here, you can provide the invitation link directly to the user, and at the same time, the user receives an email with the invitation, which is valid for 7 days. Now, in case the user has not accepted the invitation within the 7 days, you'll be able to see that the invitation has expired, and as an admin, you can resend a new invitation by triggering this action. Next is Notifications, which allows admins to configure recipients and manage the notification categories for the account. Subscribers tab shows all the different notification categories, and by clicking into a specific category, in this example, billing and invoice, you can configure the recipients in terms of users and groups. Additionally, you also have the ability to disable or enable a notification category. And here, if this is disabled on the accounts level, meaning no billing and invoice notifications will be sent out for the account, as this can have huge impact. So we recommend configuring the users as recipients, or alternatively, the individual user can configure his or her own notification preference through the user profile setting by navigating to the notification preferences and customizing their own notification. Additionally, the notification section provides you visibility of all the email messages, And you can view the full details of a message by selecting View Details, which includes the message ID, the subject line, the recipient's email address, status, and more. Last but not least, API tokens. Now, as the marketplace platform uses API tokens to authenticate requests to the REST API, this allows authorized users or systems to pull data from the platform securely. And this page shows all tokens associated with your account. For each token, you can see details such as the token's name, the creator's name, the creation date, as well as the status. And here you have the ability to enable, disable, edit, or delete a token. Lastly, Audit Trail provides you with an audit log of all the events happening within your account. You can use this feature to see who made specific changes, when they were made, and in what context. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Have a great day ahead.